Beware. Never mind the dogs. The owners are armed with phones, making videos of your crimes across America. We don't like you casing our homes while we're working, and we don't like you preying on our elderly neighbors. Oh, you can put your website right there. It's a military pit bull project image, and yeah, as I'm designing this, as always here, they're conducting harassment noise techniques from down below. The Mormons, LDS, Latter-day Saints. These right here are prepared as 4x6 photos. So you can literally print them, download. I hope to have them on Flickr soon. I have to excuse the shaking. I'm a little weak from some insulin poisoning. But print these out. Put them on your doors. Let them know. We're not interested in your cartoon Bible or character. Gold, the chair behind Stone Cold Mountain. Yeah, you can check out Gold at Daffodilia there. Both of the Daffodilias, the portfolio sites and DNFD series and Milton for Imagery. Also, MySpace will be there at the end of the month. Check it out. And remember to download any of that 25,000 plus. Examples of my work include Mormons Beware. You know you want to hand it to them when they interrupt your dinner. Check it out. At least save the text. Man, have I seen a lot of kitchen sinks thrown at me today. Oh, I gotta close that. Made the slideshow. There you go. Download printout. That's a 4x6 photo. There's some flower imagery today. Yeah, I'm gonna take photos and a little video here, and hopefully I'll have the this on daffodilia.blogspot.com or christcomplex2.wixsite.com/daffodilia. Tomorrow I'm still not feeling the best. Remember, see my contact, think your contact. And yeah, try to call me, 424-229-4140. See if the devil steal your call and realize you gotta come see me in person. You see someone besides me and flowers and shadows and Los Angeles. Clouds, sunrises, that kind of thing. You see something besides me, someone's done that. Be Daffodilia here. Bernadette here. A little skyline imagery and cloud imagery. Yeah, I'm not feeling the best still. So I'm taking it easy. But the good thing about GIMP is the program is I designed my saint imagery with this. And now all I had to do is go in and put some new words in. 424-229-4140. Make a video of your hijack call to me. I've been asking for 9/11 Flight 93 checks for over a decade. That's you making sure your phone is allowed to work all the time by trying to call me. Make that video, post that video right now. Whatever boring thing you get, it's not going to be boring if you need the firemen, police, paramedics. It's money out of your pocket, your gate's livelihood. But yeah, that lifeline's the most important thing. Certify your mail if you want. None of that about the 93 checks either. Some saints imagery, October saints imagery, and yes, Saint John Paul II included. I'm trying to get ahead of schedule, so I have the saint of the day done before the day arrives. And remember that all of these saints are on a GIMP program, so if you got a favorite saint you'd like to see in the shadows there, or with those two flowers, yeah, you're going to have to come see me in person, because the devil hijacks your call to me. 424-229-4140. Make a video of that. That's also your lifeline being hijacked. You don't know when it won't be allowed to work, and those who are stealing your calls to me are worried enough about it to hold your phone records covered up. Make that video, post that video, and yes, the 22nd is Pope John Paul II's feast day. Some October Saints imagery from me, Melton. Yeah, I'm still not at my best, but I'm keeping up with the Saints, and I hope to get eventually a month ahead so that next month's prepared and can be printed out, you know, by that time, or last month, or however it is. Remember, try to call me. I'm trying to get 30 days or 31 days ahead of schedule. Try to call me 424-229-4140. Make a video of your hijack call to me to tell me what you believe. Ask what I mean by Jesus' immaculate house here on earth. And see that religious censorship that hijacked our lifelines. So make that video, post that video. Come see me in person. I'm Milton, and this is my graphic art, The Saints, for October 2018. I just finished the last one. Saint Bega, I believe. The 31st. Now I'm going to have to speed this up a little bit. But, yeah, I'm not in the best of health, but got them done. And I hope to work on getting things done. I was getting these together to page as 4x6 photos. This is just for the graphic art here. And yes, 2 to a 4x6 print and 4 to a 4x6 print. And I hope to eventually get a month ahead so you can print them out for the month coming up. Oh, there's St. Bega. Try to call me 424-229-4140. See if the devil's stealing your call to me, and that's religious censorship. Come see me first. Tell me about the saint. For some reason I don't know why, Bernadette was taken out of the beginning of my video I just made. Yeah, when you see someone besides Bernadette or Daffodillia, here in my imagery, someone has tried to call me 424-229-4140, seen the devil steal their call and realize they must come see me in person to be in this imagery. I do that. And yeah, I'm making a video to take some photos. Oh, Rachel as well. Whatever your name is, see my contact, think your contact, and you got to come see me in person to get it. And yeah, I'm not feeling the best, so you'll probably see this up on Flickr tomorrow. Oh, Gold's there right now. Check Gold out.